Is your Assurance wireless phone constantly restarting? This issue is common and usually stems from three main causes: battery problems, overheating, or software glitches. First, check your battery. If it's old, swollen, or drains quickly, it might be failing. Next, feel your phone. If it's excessively hot, especially during simple tasks, overheating could be the culprit. Finally, consider software issues. Corrupted data or bugs can trigger endless reboots. A simple first step: remove the battery for 30 seconds if possible, then reinsert it and try again. Also, ensure your charging port is clean and free of debris. Contact Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-898-4888 for possible device swaps if problems persist. For battery issues, use only the official charger that came with your phone. Avoid overcharging by unplugging once fully charged. For overheating, minimize heavy app usage such as gaming or video calls that strain the processor. Keep your phone in a cool, well-ventilated area. For software problems, boot your phone into safe mode by pressing volume down and the power button. If the restarts disappear, a recently installed app is likely causing the issue. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up your data first to avoid losing important information. To prevent future problems, keep your phone's software updated and avoid installing unofficial apps that might cause issues.